And it's now one-on-one, Reigns and Mysterio.
We're 30 minutes into this match.
That's power.
Welcome back, Ray. Oh, no!
Here we go, dial it up.
Who are you gonna call?
Spear!
Spear!
Roman Reigns, the cover. Roman Reigns has done it.
The winner of this match, Roman Reigns.
Ladies and gentlemen, that has got to be one of the all-time great Survivor Series performances tonight. Roman Reigns eliminated 4 members of the opposite team with 4 spears here tonight. He's the muscle of the Shield. Roman Reigns, who said he's going to headline WrestleMania. Roman Reigns, Ambrose Rollins, all 3 members of the Shield will be together in this match now.
Did you see that?
We're halfway through the Royal Rumble and Roman Reigns about to make his presence known.
Spears!
Just almost broke Cody in half.
The heavy artillery of the Shield going right after Kevin Nash. And now Kingston caught by Reigns. And Kingston eliminated.
So much for the magic. Man, a huge DDT from Dolph Ziggler.
And now Ziggler from behind.
Oh!
Oh my God! What a spear by Reigns!
Look at the other superstars.
Ziggler eliminated.
Here it comes.
Randy Orton knowing this is not going to be good. He can't do this. Not this to
step
Roman
up
Reigns.
with-
Going for the pump. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns ahead of Steve. Spear! Spear! Roman Reigns with the win!
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was an absolute statement match for Roman Reigns. The biggest win of Roman Reigns' career thus far. Wait a minute! What? Oh my God! The Rock! The Rock! The Rock is in Philly! The Rock's at the Rumble!
Wow! The Rock laying a smackdown!
The Rock is here! Taking out Big Show!
Most electrifying man in sports entertainment.
King! King! Here it comes!
Get ready.
Do it, King! Do it!
The most electrifying man in all of sports entertainment with the people's elbow!
The Rock! Where did he come from?
This is awesome!
Well, there were rumors all week long that Rock was in Philly, but we didn't think he'd be here tonight. Reigns with a Superman punch! Rock bottom! Rock coming to the aid of Roman Reigns. Guys. Rusev's in this. Rusev's in this. And spear. I'm looking back. Rusev was never eliminated. Rusev is still in this match. What? Rusev entered at number 15. And looking back on my notes,
I thought he was gone!
no, Rusev was never eliminated.
Well, wait a
But
minute!
now he is. Roman Reigns is going to WrestleMania.
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns.
We have witnessed the advent of Roman Reigns.
How much more can you throw at this man? How much more can you throw at Roman Reigns? It won't matter. He's about to be unemployed.
Superman punch. Went for the brogue. Superman punch. Superman punch.
That's the chairman part. The hell's wrong with you, Roman? The hell is wrong with you?
Watch out.
Good night.
Oh my God.
Good riddance.
Roman
Count him out.
Reigns.
Good
alive!
There is a desire, there is a fire inside Roman Reigns that cannot be put out.
Sheamus going for the death blow. The bro kick.
It's a good career, Roman.
Spam!
No!
Spam!
No!
The cover!
No!
Roman Reigns is Roman Reigns is champion! Roman Reigns is
Here
champion!
is your winner and the new WWE World Heavyweight Champion, Roman Reigns!
Roman Reigns is WWE World Heavyweight Champion! He did it! He overcame all the odds!
It was win or go home for Roman Reigns, and now Roman Reigns on this night here in Philadelphia can call himself champion.
It has all come full circle. It was in this arena in January of this year where Roman Reigns won the Royal Rumble match. And it is in this arena at the end of 2015 that Roman Reigns becomes WWE World Heavyweight Champion.
Yeah, but Roman Reigns may have just realized a dream, but he has Superman punched the chairman of the board. The COO is sitting right now in home trying to recover what Roman Reigns did to him last night. Roman Reigns may have that title, but Roman Reigns has something else. Roman Reigns has got total hell to pay for what he has done.
I would say for tonight, the Roman Empire has toppled the McMahon Empire.
Triple H uses it, he gets disqualified. But you're right, he walks out of here WWE champion.
That could have been a disqualification. Oh, Superman punch! Another one by Reigns. It's with the sledgehammer. Spear! Spear by Reigns! Cover! Hooks the leg! Reigns is the champion! Reigns is the WWE World Heavyweight Champion!
Your winner and the new WWE World Heavyweight Champion, Roman Reigns!
It is the renaissance of the Roman Empire! He's left the authority in shambles.
They're cheering the legend. Wanting the legend to pull some magic out one last time.
Locked and loaded. Another Superman punch.
Caught the Undertaker right in the temple, I think. Down goes the dead man. Roman Reigns now. Might be well served, John, to make a cover.
Hey, JR, there's no reason to cover the Undertaker. He's going to kick out.
Roman figures he's got to inflict more damage, I guess.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at Taker.
Yeah, but he's helpless.
Yes,
he's absolutely helpless.
Undertaker tried to set up. He tried to set up, but his body would not allow it.
You gotta wonder if the Undertaker's body is giving out on him. That legendary heart and that legendary soul is not, but is the body quitting on the Undertaker. But I'm not counting him out.
Reigns processing this information that is before him. Can Reigns finally get the combination to put the Undertaker down for the 3 count and the biggest victory of his WrestleMania career?
Oh my God.
What a right hand. Thunderous right hand. And another one. Undertaker's, he can't defend himself. His hands are down. Oh, look out here. Momentum.
Oh, man. God.
And a huge spear into the heart of The Undertaker. And Roman Reigns has defeated The Undertaker at WrestleMania with a thunderous spear.
Roman Reigns.
My God, what a physical matchup.
Arguably the greatest win of Roman Reigns' career.
Maybe the greatest win in Roman Reigns' career 20 years from now, 100 years from now. He just defeated The Undertaker, who The Undertaker emptied everything in his arsenal, maybe everything in his soul.
This is my yard now.
Again, Roman Reigns, though, is in position. He still has the upper hand in this match. Cena back to his feet. Reigns caught. Cena caught Reigns. Another AA. Third of the match.
Wow!
Cena rolls through. The power of Cena. Another AA. Cover on Reigns. Hooks the leg. Cena with O. Cena with it. A look of absolute disbelief.
Everyone in Staples Center has the exact same expression. Remember, this is what John Cena wanted. John Cena came to Raw to fight the big dog. And now, the greatest of all time is asking himself, was it worth it?
I think John Cena's doing a little bit more than that. John Cena's testing himself.
John Cena just glanced over at Roman Reigns. You can see the a Superman punch! Reigns caught Cena, spear! Reigns cover!
Got caught
Shoulders
sleeping.
down! Roman Reigns has done it! Roman Reigns has done
Here's
it!
your winner, Roman Reigns.
What an incredible match! But in the end, Roman Reigns has defeated John Cena!
Wow, what a match.
And in many ways, you could call that the biggest win of Roman Reigns' career.
Between The Undertaker at WrestleMania and John Cena at No Mercy, this is in fact the big dog's yard.
And now back into the ring. Brock Lesnar in a mood tonight. A vile and vicious mood. And Reigns with a spear to the champion. Here's the cover. Hook for the leg. Reigns did it. Roman Reigns did it. Reigns is the champion.
Here is your winner and the new Universal Champion, Roman Reigns.
I can't believe it! Roman Reigns finally did it!
The elation from Roman Reigns.
The big dog has finally broken the stranglehold of Lesnar.
And look at the reaction from Roman Reigns.
Well, we advertise it as an update, so should we get to the update? So when I made my announcement, I said that I was gonna swing for the fences. We did better than that, y'all. We didn't just swing for the fences, man. We hit a home run. So when I tell you this, I am so grateful, I'm so humbled, and I'm so honored to announce this. We'll get to that later. We'll get to that later. Yeah. Let's crawl before we walk and walk before we can run. But the good news is I'm in remission, y'all. So with that being said, the big dog is back! just one last time. So before I go, I'm gonna say it probably a whole bunch more times, but I'm gonna say it one last time. Thank you so much, y'all. I love y'all.
This feels good.
The best of friends, Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins. Welcome back to the big dog. McIntyre sends Reigns across the ring. There's Roman Reigns. Down goes McIntyre. And now you feel the momentum shifting a bit.
Roman's in control.
You can see Drew McIntyre grasping at his rib cage and his midsection. You got to wonder if the Samoan drop on the outside didn't do some damage. Maybe McIntyre's got a cracked rib.
WWE fans on their feet in the background. Roman Reigns locked and loaded. He's got McIntyre in his sights.
Might have a cracked jaw to match.
Went for the Superman punch. McIntyre able to duck underneath and caught him with a headbutt. Reigns though caught him with a Superman punch. It's been a while since we've heard the big dog roar! Spear by Reigns! Reigns with the win!
Here's your winner, Roman Reigns!
Again, as I mentioned earlier, tonight was about more than just Roman Reigns. It was about more than Roman's family. It was for anyone who has suffered, who has battled illness. About the kids back in Houston that Roman spent time with in the hospital. Everyone around the world with a struggle and a fight who supported the big dog he fought for tonight.